This quick video is about how to download free music from YouTube using iPhone, and this method will also works on Android mobiles too. Okay, first you need to open Google Chrome browser. If you did not install, just install that on App Store, then type youtube.com. Then tap here and click sign in. Now sign in to your YouTube account. Once you log in, then click here, scroll up. Now you will see this option request desktop site. Touch that. Then the site switched to desktop mode. Now again click here and touch YouTube Studio. Now tap this last option. Here you can search and download free copyright-free YouTube audio library musics. Let's zoom a little bit. For example, tap here to play music, and here you can search for particular music or sound effect based on artist, genre or duration, like that stuffs. Let's type our favorite music. Take a pic from Aaron Lieberman. Let's search. Like that also you can find this. Here you can see the complete details about the music or sound effect. And before download, check this license type. If it is just YouTube logo, means for that music or sound effect attribution was not required. Or you will see this CC means attribution needed for this kind of musics. Okay, to download music, just tap like this. Then click on download. That's it. Let's open this, scroll up and click on saved files. Save. Let's check that. Opening files app. Here it is. This is how you download YouTube audio library music on iPhone and Android mobiles. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors.